Let me show you how we can take screenshot without buttons on the Samsung Galaxy A57. We have a couple of ways that allow us to do so. You can, for example, perform the palm swipe gesture, so we can swipe from the left to the right side, like this, there we go. We can also do this from the right side to the left side. Let's see if I can do this. There we go. And this is of course one of the ways. You can actually enable or disable this gesture, so if it doesn't work for you, you can open settings. Then we're gonna proceed to advanced features. In here we should be able to find motions and the gestures, and you want to make sure that this option, palm swipe to capture, is enabled. We can also add a button to quick settings or the control center. If you tap on this pen icon in the upper right corner, then we should be able to go to add a control, and then in here in the capture section we should be able to find take screenshot option. So you can either tap on that button in order to immediately add it to quick settings, or you can press and hold your finger and then you can drop it pretty much anywhere you want to. Let's say I'm gonna drop it somewhere at the bottom. I actually cancelled it by accident, so let me do that again. There we go. We're gonna go over here, let's go to controls, and let's drop it in here, for example. I'm gonna actually make it slightly bigger, and we're gonna tap on it down in the upper right corner. So now we can tap on this button in order to close the quick settings panel, and we can take a screenshot pretty easily. And also another way to capture a screenshot is by going to accessibility. Over here in accessibility, we're gonna go to interaction and dexterity, and then we can enable assistant menu. With the help of the assistant menu, we should be able to take a screenshot as well. So as you can see, the assistant menu does indeed have the screenshot button that we can use. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.